Okay.
Yeah, I brought a $150.
Okay. Good luck to everybody today, man. I see him. I see white bars.
Damn, caps on it.
That was a little slice.
Yo, Philly, what else?
Tipler.
Just
Chilling, look. As we see here, as the birds are trying to leave. I see the Cooper drop this just now. So somebody who tossed the red.
I think that's Spartacus bird.
Got hit.
King. I think that's Spartacus bird.
Well, seems like he got away though. At least for now. We'll see. We got some grapes out here. It is February 2nd, people. This is Bird Wars. So you guys who talk it, you guys be about it. It's about to go down, people.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Feel like nothing. Yeah. Yo, somebody fucking dead, Rodney Petty. Fucking scared.
Petty ain't coming.
Scared, boy. How many fucking crates you got for pushing right here?
Video's up, man.
No cap.
Look over the carriage real quick, show y'all what's going on.
We should get rid of all the tippers that everybody knows. Best fucking thing
Games, flights, tipplers.
You don't want to miss this. It's going to be fun. Mom, right, nigga? Mom, these niggas, right? All horses.
blood.
Bad day for people today. A lot of people ain't ready.
We got no shortage of L's here, so you don't tell your ass. So you gotta read it in the building.
So respect to you for bringing the cap.
Thank you, bro.
Only one guy brought cap. That's what's up.
Hey, I don't care if they don't buy. I'm a flight man, really, but I love my tickets, don't get me wrong. That's why it's one of my shirts.
They're pretty too.
Thank you.
These horses right here.
What are we waiting on?
I don't know, man.
What are we waiting on? Yo, you guys are ready? Everybody ready? Get to your crate. LG. Y'all ready? Go.
Yeah.
It's about to go down.
Push up, Joey! Joey, push up!
I like y'all. You know what?
These are the barrel tossers. The guy with the belt himself ain't here though. Self-proclaimed champ. The guys live in their own world, man. And mental illness, people, it's a real thing. Balance the checkbook, man. Mentally stable. Here we go, people.
There's one over there.
I ain't no yellow. I see trees. Marina, what's that?
That's the orchestrator.